What about this one? Do you remember? Do you know this sound? Can you do k, k, k? Very good. It's a k, k sound. Ah, perfect. Let's make a buzzing bee sound. High five, Mateo. Oh my God, you're so good. It's a zzz. Perfect. Oh, let's make a oi, 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 oi. Piggy sound. Oh, great. It's a oi, oi, oi. What else have we got? Ooh, can you do ooh? Yeah, it's a ooh sound. Yeah, look, he can see through his glasses, so it's a ooh. And look, the baby's crying. So, you're doing the expression.
Too.
Ooh, can you do me a happy sound? Ee! Ee! Oh, perfect. Ooh, let's do a mmm. How do you do it? And do you know this sound? Plain. It makes mmm.
That one.
What sound is that? Oh, yes, it is. It's a k, k sound.